Hi, it's Ariane with Peak Academics, and today we're going to talk about organization, or purposeful arrangement, a design to keep track of your school materials. Now, organization may be different for each student, and you need to find a system that works for you. Once you develop and stick with a system, staying organized can help you bring down the stress in your life and can also help you keep track of your school materials. We will look at two different organizational systems, a binder system and the accordion file. And by the end of this video, you may be able to pick the system that helps you stay organized this year. Let's first take a look at the binder system. A traditional binder can be loaded with folders, loose leaf 3-hole paper, and can easily open from left to right like a book. The accordion file is a drop-in system that you pull open and drop your materials in. It opens like a large envelope. Let's dive in a little closer to the binder system. Opening it up and filling it with folders is a good way to keep yourself organized for multiple classes. You can also snap in paper in between each folder for note-taking. Most folders or dividers come equipped with pockets that you can insert loose leaf papers, as well as tabs that you can write on. A good organizational tip is to have a folder marked for homework to be done that night, and also have a folder marked for homework to be turned in, so you can easily open your binder, find the homework you have to turn in each class. A binder system is also a great tool to snap in your pencil bag, as well as use the folders on the side or pockets on the side to slip in your planner, composition book, or any other notebooks you have to bring to and from school. There are many benefits to using a binder system to keep yourself organized. They open like a book, and all of your files can be laid out together, going from left to right. You can snap in loose leaf paper, other spiral notebooks, and even hold your pencil bag and agenda. You can have a divided section for each class and even a special area where you put homework to turn in. One con may be that you have to flip all the way from the beginning to reach the middle and the end. And sometimes clipping and unclipping the 3 rings can take some practice. Now, let's take a look at the accordion file system. Think of it as a large envelope with divided sections for each class. You can stick loose leaf papers or even folders in between each of the divided sections. It's a drop-in system, so you'll need to make sure you use the labels provided to keep yourself organized for which class you're dropping files or papers into. You can even designate a section for homework to go home, as well as a section for homework to turn in. And there's plenty of divisions left for each of your classes. So remember, in an accordion file, you're dropping your items in. There's also plenty of room for an agenda and a pencil bag. And once you have all your materials, you simply zip the accordion file up. Now, The Accordion file system is a great way to keep organized. You can have divisions for each of your classes, as well as a section for homework and paper to turn in. One challenge you might face with the Accordion file system is that because you're dropping loose leaf papers in, you may not have them in order. Something to think about when you're choosing your organizational system. Now, whatever system you choose, don't forget to decorate and personalize either your binder or your accordion file. You can use pictures, or you can use a mantra, positive affirmation, or even stickers. Now that you have found your system to keep track of your papers and personalize to you, it will help reduce the stress in your life and keep you organized for the school year. Now, lastly, don't forget to clean out and file all of your old work, graded homework, graded tests, notes you don't need, and do it weekly so that you're keeping yourself organized in your binder or your accordion file, and you're not carrying around a bunch of extra weight.